So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Harvest Land on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left, press on Games, and then press on Get Started. Once you guys are redirected to this screen right here, because we're looking for the game Harvest Land and it might not appear under Most Popular, go to where it says Sort by Most Popular, and then for simplicity's sake, press on A to Z. And because we're looking for Harvest Land, we're just going to scroll all the way down until we come across the H's right here. So we're on the H's right here in Harvest Land, just like this. Now, if you want to see how you can exactly make money on Harvest Land, you first and foremost have to download the game through Swagbucks. And once you guys are here, you then have to complete goals. So if you just install the game, you get 4 Swagbucks. If you complete level 5 in 30 days, you get 28 Swagbucks. And you can basically see how playing this game over time, completing different levels, etc., will earn you a different amount of Swagbucks. What you actually do with the Swagbucks now is actually cash the Swagbucks in if you accumulate enough over time for gift cards, and that's your way of earning real money just by playing the game Harvest Land. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to make real money playing Harvest Land on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.